What is up, guys? Welcome to Stardew Valley. In this new game I'm playing on my channel. I'm very excited to play it, so let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so what we're gonna do is create my character real quick. Give him a black shirt. And give him a beard. Just name him GB. Short for Gaming Verse. My farm. This can be farm is the Gaming Verse. My favorite thing to do is gaming. Animal preference. Oh, okay. I prefer this cat right here. Okay. Standard farm. Riverine farm. Forest farm. Hilltop farm, Wilderness farm, Four Corners farm, and Beach farm. How about we go with the standard farm? And that's it already. So if this gets enough views, I'll turn it into a series. My very special grandson. I want you to have a sealed envelope. Now we got an envelope. No, don't open it yet. Have patience. Now listen close. There will come a day when you feel crushed by the burden of modern life. And your right spirit will fade for a growing emptiness. When that happens, my boy, you'll be ready for this gift. Now let Grandpa rest. XX years later. Joja, join us, Fried. Terminated. Look at that guy right there. And there's me. Oh. There's a skeleton here. Looks like I'm not happy. Oh, there's the envelope. Dear GV, if you're reading this, you must be in dire need of a change. The same thing happened to me a long time ago. I lost sight of what mattered most in life. Real connections with other people in nature, so I dropped everything and moved to the place I truly belong. I enclosed thee to that place, my pride and joy, Gaming Verse Farm. It's located in Stardew Valley on the southern coast. It's the perfect place to start your new life. This was my most precious gift of all. Now it's yours. I know you'll honor the family name, my boy. Good luck. Love, Grandpa. P.S. If Lewis is still alive, say hi to the old guy for me, will ya? Who's Lewis? Oh, looks like we got a farm. We got a farm. Oh, we're on a bus. Stardew Valley. Look, little bird. We're here. Hello, you must be GV. I'm Robin, the local carpenter. May Lewis sent me here to fetch you and show you the way to your new home. He's there right now, tidying things up for your arrival. The farm's right over here if you follow me. This is Gamerverse Farm. What's the matter? Sure, it's a bit overgrown, but there's some good soil underneath that mess. A little dedication will have it cleaned up in no time. And here we are, your new home. Looks pretty nice. Well, who's that? Ah, the new farmer. Welcome, I'm Lewis, mayor of Pelican Town. You know, everyone's just been asking about you. It's not every day that someone new moves in. It's quite a big deal. So, you're moving into your grandfather's old cottage. It's a good house, very rustic. Rustic, that's one way to put it. Crusty might be a little more, though. Rude. Don't listen to her, GV. She's just trying to make you dissatisfied, say, but I want a house upgrade. Anyway, you must be tired from a long journey. You should get some rest. Probably ought to explore town a bit and just, the townspeople would appreciate that. Oh, I almost forgot. If you have anything to sell, just place it in this box here. I'll come by during the night to recollect it. Well, good luck. Your progress has been saved. Here we are. Wow. Got a campfire place. Picture too. What's this box? Oh. Here's some stuff. Axe. Oh. Okay. Probably open the box. Oh. Parsnip seeds. You received 15 parsnip seeds. Here's a little something to get you started. Here, Lewis. That's not a simple guy. Okay. Let's get out of here. So this is my farm. Looks pretty nice. Like I said, it's supposed to be in here. Let's go ahead and start moving stuff, man. Wow. Wow, this is a pretty big farm. I like the visuals. It's pretty nice. Mind that stone right there. Alright, we got a little bit of an area cleaned out now. I try and plant some seeds in. Okay. I guess we go ahead and plant these seeds. Instructions. To be nice, get yourself around town. Some people might be anxious to need a new farmer. Getting started. If you want to become a farmer, you should have to start with the basics. Use your hoe to till the soil. They use a seed to water every day until the crop is ready for harvest. Okay. I guess we just water it. Look at me go. I'm a farmer now. I'm assuming that was my money right there. Alright. I guess we head into town now. That's the thing. Guess we head to town. Is there a map? Oh, there is. Oh, wow. Pretty big place. What's that? Help wanted. High quality seeds. What's that? Okay. Let's go to Piers. Okay. Well, hello there. I'm Gus, chef and owner of the Stardew Saloon. I get some supplies for the saloon. Piers got the good stuff. Hi, Mary Liz told me about your life. I'm ready. I sell livestock and animal care products at my ranch. You should swing by sometime. One of the Piers. Need some supplies? Hey, it's Mr. GV, the new farmer. I'm here on the local general store. You're looking for seeds, my shop is the place to go. Also buy produce for a good price. You can really inject new life into the local economy. Who's that? Oh, that's right. I heard someone new was moving into that old farm. It's kind of a shame, really. I always enjoy exploring those local fields by myself. Oh, hey, so you're the new guy, huh? Cool. I'll see you around. Oh, hello, I'm Penny. That's all. Oh, it's nice to meet you. You picked a good time to move here. The spring is lovely. Ooh, some cows. Oh, you're that new farmer boy, aren't you? Oh, I'm Haley. For those his clothes, you might actually be cute. Rude. I think I have a nice style of clothes. It's down here. Oh, it's a beach. Ah, the new farmer we've all been inspecting, whose arrival sparked many a conversation. I'm Elliot. I live in the little cabin by the beach. It's a pleasure to meet you. Ooh, seashell. It's mine. No, it's a clam. Gone fishing. I'll be back tomorrow. Like that tree. Hello there, welcome to Stardew Architect's office. This is embarrassing, but the previous curator ran off with our entire collection. We don't have any artifacts for display. Hoping to renovate that soon. Hey, if you find any artifacts or minerals out there, would you let me know? Hello there. Okay. Hi, I'm Clint. I'm the town blacksmith. If you ever need to upgrade your tools, I'm your guy. Okay. Right, hello and welcome to our little community, dear. You can call me Granny if you like. Okay, Granny. Oh, aren't you the one who just moved in? I'm Maru. I'm looking forward to meeting you. You know, with a small town like this, a new face can really alter community dynamic. Exciting. Okay. It's irritating to have to meet all these new people, huh? Nice yours, by the way. A buzz off. Okay, George. Greetings, I'm Demetrius, local scientist father. Thanks for introducing yourself. I'm studying the local plants and animals from my home laboratory. Have you met my daughter Maru? She's interested to meet you. Hi there. Have you met everyone in town yet? It's actually exhausting. Who's this? A stranger? Hello. Don't mind me, I just live out here alone. $17 out of 28 people. Okay. 11 more. It's a really big area. I like the music too. Hi, I'm Sam. Good to meet you. Hey, Sam. It's locked. This is my farm. I think this is my farm. What's this? Whatever this was it's now in ruins. What cave? It's getting dark. It's locked. Open 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. Hello, you must be GV, the new farmer. I'm Caroline. My husband runs a general store here. Have you met my daughter Abigail? She's the pale one with the purple hair. Okay. Okay, I think we'll head back to our farm. Yeah, okay. Alright. So I think that's gonna wrap up my episode here. Thank you guys for liking. Please like and subscribe. And I'll see you on the next one. Goodbye.